Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to bring you a VeChain update. A lot of interesting things going on. We got Mess in here to help us break this down. What's up, man?
Hello, everybody. I think man, VeChain is actually looking very nice right now.
It
We've
is.
been looking at it for a while. Critical times. So, which time frame you wanna start with?
Well, let's look at the 6 hour here because actually, if I can just briefly mention, begin by zooming out, guys. I know you hate moving when I move around the chart here, but it kind of makes sense what I'm
We all
about to
do,
say.
yes.
We're forming a massive macro cup and handle that we have been breaking out bullishly, and now we may be breaking out soon here. So we'll be doing some TA, talk about what we see happening both short term and long term. So, man, we're kind of in this. What would you call this? Like a broadening wedge.
It's basically just like a megaphone basically pattern. But I think besides that, if we're just looking at very simple resistance and support lines, it's very clear what we're reacting to. To the top side there, we have almost four contact points. On the bottom side, also four contact points, and it looks like we just had a leg up from that support line there in the bottom. Yeah, so. I think in terms of a breakout here, we need to break above this level that's close to the left, that left top we had, and we're seeing that on smaller time frames. If you agree.
Yeah, yeah. So, guys, ultimately, critical support here is this green line. Another thing to note, we are within this pitchfork formation. So to kind of, I think to maintain bullish here, we need to maintain above 29 cents to kind of maintain within this kind of channel here. Another thing to note, man, is kind of we're in a wedge here, are we not? Like we're kind of in a wedge slash ascending triangle kind of situation, if you agree, more or less.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think it's coupled. So we have our major pattern, which looks like it's the megaphone on us a bit. If we zoom in on these recent movements, we're looking like, yeah, I see a wedge there. It's clear with the line you drew there. And yeah, with the pitchfork showing that we just broke up into that second interval. And if we even look at this, so this is the 1 hour, right? Yeah, I
Yeah.
think you're right. Yeah, with that wedge.
Yeah, yeah, and so I think we're likely to have a breakout from this pattern, kind of within the next, I'd say really 3 days here. Because we're within this wedge. Whatever way we break out,
Yeah.
we're likely to trend. Now we can take a look at our indicators if we want here. We have Market Cipher pulled up. For those who don't know, we've been using Market Cipher here as of late. I don't know if there's anything worth interesting with the Market Cipher you think worth bringing up here.
I think the biggest telling thing right now, maybe if we go on a smaller time frame on the 15-minute, maybe we'll see that our momentum waves, right? So a momentum wave going into this zone in terms of price action have been decreasing and going to the upside. So that's from the bottom side. So going from the bottom to the top, and also when we're going to the top side, we're moving further.
Right.
So it looks like in terms of momentum, buyers are coming in, and there you can see the interest of those traders to buy as we move forward.
Yes, absolutely. And another critical support that we need to maintain in order to remain bullish in the short term, in my opinion, is the 28 cents. Because if you remember when we were zoomed out before, there was a previous peak there at the 28 cents or the 28 cents. So that needs to maintain, in my opinion, for us to remain bullish at least in the short term. Now, if we break
Definitely.
above 32.3 here, if we start to close above that, guys, we're flying, entering a potential price discovery here. We could expect if we can close above this line here. We're kind of debating where we might find support resistance, but I think the high 30 cent range, 40 cent range, or 4 cent range. I think rather the high threes, low fours makes sense for where we could anticipate some resistance if we start to break out above this wedge and up above this like ascending triangle situation.
Yeah, no, I agree, and I think honestly, the to keep it simple in general, we're seeing on bigger time frames that we are having higher momentum as we move forward. So even on the 6 hour chart, if you can go back, and I'm not sure if we had the MACD open or no,
We can pull it
but
up.
just based in general, we can pull it up. Yeah. So based in
Yeah.
general, on the we're already seeing upticks in the MACD on the 6 hour chart,
Right.
and once we maybe the next couple, 2 or 3 candles here, we could be actually having a crossover, and we're seeing that, like specifically the 6 hour candle that we just previously had, previous to this one, is very bullish. It actually broke through all these other candles and closed above, and now you can tell this got the interest of the whole market. And I think soon enough here, maybe the 6 to the 20 hours coming up, it's going to be very, very telling what VeChain is going to do. But I think we have a lot more bullish signs than we have bearish or signs of a retracement.
I agree with you, and that's a very good point you brought up with this candle. Because yes, we blew above like this price action, but it's not just any old price action. It was that 28 cents, for the resistance that we had way back when. So the fact that we broke above that the way we did in our stochastic, I agree with you. I think we have more signs pointing towards like a bullish direction than not. And if I can just mention another thing too. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been taking a nosedive, which is why we're seeing a bunch of altcoins pumping right now. Now, if we zoom out here, I've been talking about this for a while. I wonder if it's even getting annoying, but I think it is very relevant. Bitcoin dominance being the total value of Bitcoin in comparison to the total value of all cryptocurrency. We were in this ascending triangle. We got rejected before, and we seem to be getting rejected again. Whenever Bitcoin dominance rises, the altcoins suffer. Whenever Bitcoin dominance falls, the altcoins typically benefit. So, if Bitcoin dominance continues to fall, continues to get rejected, that's going to be very, very good for the altcoins, in my opinion.
No, I think so too, and it's pretty critical times right now. So, I mean, if you haven't joined our Discord, make sure you join our Discord. And we will be looking into this very, very in a more precise timing. So, join the Discord. We'll put live updates there, and you'll see a lot faster than YouTube here. But for me here, I'm done. I think this makes sense. Lower time frames bullish, higher time frames bullish.
I agree with
So
you,
just
man.
to keep it simple.
Yeah, and guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We really do mean it, guys. It's crazy how well we've been calling it Ren, Chainlink, Ethereum. We've just been calling it amazing. So yeah, check all those things out. Our Twitter, Rarible Store, link to join
Yeah,
everything
let's just
down in
clear
the
this out.
description.
It's actually me calling this whole thing. It's me calling everything here. So let's just relax and be clear with the people.
Yo, but we both know, like, we've both been calling the shit like crazy well.
100%. 100%.
All right,
Join our
chill.
Discord, everybody.
Take care.